How's your sneezing fit there, Gloria?
Oh my gosh. It's like we just keep bouncing this bug from one person to another. It's like the weirdest game of pickleball ever. Achoo.
You have these cute little kitty cat sneezes.
Achoo. Achoo, 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 achoo. Like, and it's not just one or two, it's 16 in a row. Achoo, achoo, achoo.
You don't have false teeth.
I don't.
Thankfully, you don't, because they'd be all over me.
Yeah, well, one chiclet at a time. Can you imagine? That's like a cartoon. Oh my gosh.
You know, those are pretty powerful sneezes when you're blowing teeth out.
There's something.